What's the meaning of collectivist? Collectivist. Collectivist.
Collectivist. Collectivist. Collectivist is a term used to describe a social or political philosophy that emphasizes the importance of the group or community over the individual. Collectivism holds that the needs and goals of society as a whole are more important than those of individuals. This can manifest in various forms, such as socialism, communism, or tribalism. The result of a collectivist society is that resources and decision-making power are distributed among the group rather than being centered around a single individual or small group of elites.